In ancient times, there was a group of people who lived in a village called Nuaebu, which was located on the peak of Mount Inalika. The distance is approximately 3 kilometers from the village of Mans. One day, they celebrated a traditional Pardek Para. Para means buffalo tied to a ngadu stick, which is then stabbed using a spear. It was already evening. The buffaloes had not all been stabbed. Therefore, the buffaloes that had been stabbed and died could not have their meat taken to be cooked and distributed to all the families in the village. At night, a Janak cried, asking for buffalo meat. Even though the meat had not been cooked because all the buffalo had not been slaughtered. The condition was that the meat could be cooked after all the buffalo available for the para even had died. The child's parents coaxed their child to stop crying, but the child continued to cry. Because he won't stop crying, the child's parents decided to take some of the buffalo meat that was there, and they agreed that if anyone asked, the wolf said that one who took the buffalo meat was a dog. When the father was about to cut the buffalo meat using a machete, what happened was that the buffalo turned into stone. The father tried to move to another buffalo, but all of them turned into stone. The father then shouted loudly so that everyone would witness and see the respective buffaloes that had turned into stone. The residents felt scared and agreed to run away from the village. According to local tradition, if something like this happens, it is a sign of anger or a curse from their ancestors, who in the local language are called Ebun Noba. The residents ran in various directions. Some ran upwards. The residents who ran upwards turned into stone when they looked back. So the place was called Watu Atta. Some also ran downwards. A mother and her 2 children pulled a buffalo. They arrived at a deep but not to wade the river. They stopped there. The child asked his mother how to get through the place, and the mother replied, "Later, I will lie face down. You two and the buffalo can pass behind me to cross to the other side of the river." The mother dropped her body to the side of the river and immediately turned into stone. The place is now called Padawatu, or in Indonesian it is called a stone bridge. The mother's 2 children who become stone crossed the bridge by pulling a buffalo behind their mother who becomes stone. The walk eastward, they arrived at a place called Poma. Unbeknownst to them, The buffalo looked back. The buffalo also turned into stone. So the place is now known as Suatu Kaba. All the remained was for the brothers to continue walking towards the east. On the way, which was not too far, the younger brother asked his older brother, "Sis, where is our buffalo?" The older brother answered, "Our buffalo has become stone." Holding has the look back to see the buffalo. They become stone. So displeased until no people call it Watu Doa. Watu Doa means the incarnation of two stones that come from two children who were siblings.